What's up, gang, gang, gang? Man, today's gonna be an unboxing video, bro. I just got up. I'm about to go come down there and get that shit. But make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. But let's get that shit on the gang.
Everything I touch would turn to gold.
You heard me? Baby Mexico chopper, man. Top shotter. Baby Mexico shotter. We finna talk guys shit. Why not?
Why this guy?
Yeah. I am a menace. Keep me a ratchet like tennis. I'm with this shit like I'm Dennis. I started this shit, I'm a business. Niggas be hating, trying to blemish my image. Who want the smoke? 2 to 3 count with the scope. Extended clip long as a rope. We wipe his nose, just like he had him a cold. I knew that.
I got a package, bitch. Yeah, nigga. Y'all don't want to see the package dance? Don't be staying tuned. It's package dance time.
Mo, I hit the first row. Freaking bitch on go, she gone off the road. Shoot, 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 shoot.
I'm a little nigglets. Man, today's an unboxing video, so yeah, unboxing of Kappa. That is little thing that y'all should not know yet, so fuck you talking about. But it's gonna be a Kappa outfit, as you know by the fucking title. Verify, y'all should not see my little title and shit, you know what I'm saying? This is like, I spent like almost like, actually I spent like $180. Niggas ask me, why did you spend $180 on something that you're not gonna use a lot? That's really too small. Nigga, it's my money and I got bread. What you talking about? Back to the video. I got the pants right here. These are like the joggers. These bitches go hard, huh? Oh God. That's the first thing. This is the second thing. This is my jacket. I'm gonna unbox the jacket first. I'm gonna wrap the jacket first, okay? Yeah, I just woke up, my guy. That's why I look kind of dry as shit. Boom, nigga. Boom, nigga. Look at that bit. Boom, nigga. Oh. Roll the meme.
Bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
But this shit, bro, it goes hard. And if y'all like my size, bro, get the medium, bro. Cause the size chart confused the shit out of me, bro. But this shit like it fit, though. I ain't gonna cap. It like it fit. So that's the medium jacket, right? This is a small pants. Get small pants. I'm for sure that you gonna fit. If they look too big, then fuck it, nigga. I know how to make this fit. Oh no, that's just right. That's just right. Hey, that's damn. Just right. I know my size when I see it. Yup. Y'all niggas say my shit fake. My shit says Kappa on it, nigga. Don't do me. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. But tell you why I got it. It's gonna be the first day of school outfit, bro. The first day of 10th grade, bro. Like, you gotta be turned up for first day of school, bro. You gotta be looking sexy, looking fly, everything, you know what I'm saying, bro? You gotta look good. So I had to get this for the first day of school. And I had a little money, you know what I'm saying? I had a little money here and there that I had to spend for it. So I spent it. And yeah.
Boy, if you don't
Get a thumbs up on a fucking button, like, nigga, get the thumbs up. Bitch. Oh God. And then hit that comment, you know, subscribe, share my videos. Come try to get that. I'm trying to get them fucking subscribes up, bro. I'm trying to get the subscriptions up. Like, come on, man, get it up there. Like, it ain't that hard. Come on, ain't that hard. Like, come on, Dad. You know what I'm saying? Stop playing with you. But look, Yeah, dude, like this. Oh yeah, I want my Supreme back with that bitch, bro. Y'all can't fuck with me with that. I'm about to clean this nigga in school that day. First day of school, clean this nigga. Oh yeah, and guess what? Y'all gotta keep waiting for the motherfucking first day of school vlog. And this school vlog. But tune in later and back with another one, nigga.
Money add and multiply. I'm still me, I stay automatic. Money add and multiply. I'm still me, I stay automatic. Money add and multiply.